Everybody loves animation, be it young or old. Animation allows storyteller to tell stories in the most unique ways. With plethora of animated movies and content releasing every year, the animation industry is expected to grow to INR 8,20,000 crores by 2030. Amidst the constant influx of animated content, the industry requires a pro-efficient workforce. With MAAC, you too can excel in making animated content and make a thriving career in the animation. Establish your presence in the field of 3D design and animation with MAAC's AD3D Edge Plus. Get a holistic understanding of animation and 3D design from pre-production nuances to final strokes in post-production. Acquire essential skills in storyboarding, cinematography, video editing, look development, and digital sculpting. All crucial elements for a thriving career as a successful 3D animator. With access to state-of-the-art technology and expert mentors, you will acquire the skills to create captivating animations that make a lasting impression. Acquire skills in industry-relevant software like Adobe Photoshop, Autodesk Motion Builder, Adobe Substance Painter, and Adobe After Effects. This course offers elective specialization in modeling, texturing, lighting, and animation. Upon completing the course, you qualify for coveted positions such as 3D modeling artist, texture artist, character animator, 3D journalist, 3D visualizer, motion graphic artist. Ready to step into enchanting 3D universe? Join MAAC now.